Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the background color in Google Docs. So you want to change the page background color. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to go down and select Page Setup. And now where it says page color, click on the drop down and you can select any custom from this list, or you can add a custom RGB code as well. So by just selecting the little plus icon, or you can pick a custom color somewhere else on the page that it can sample it. So pretty neat feature there, guys. And then you can just select the OK option to save that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.